Okay, so the next dish that I'm going to make for you is a Shanghainese clay pot dish. And why I particularly like it is because it is super, super simple, but it gives you a big bang for your buck. Huge payoff. And what is typically used usually is like a salted kind of ham type product, and that is going to flavor the rest of your rice as it cooks. And I like it because there's a little bit of kind of meat in here, there's a lot of veggies, and I have a couple of tips that I've just added in to make it even more healthy if you want that option. But it's just super, super simple to make, very, very quick, and very, very delicious. So I hope you all enjoy this one.
You know what I've been through. It feels like there's no use, but I won't be happy.
Okay, so to start off, I am soaking a half a cup of rice with a half a cup of lentils or mung beans of your choice. And that is my tip number one for making rice just a little bit healthier for those rice lovers out there. It's a little bit more slow burning. You get a little bit more fiber. So I always cut rice with about half rice and then half bean. And then this bit is where the Shanghainese use kind of like a cured, salted pork. I have opted to just use a vegan bacon. I think that is going to be the closest and most easiest thing that we can find. And then I've taken just a bok choy and I'm just going to chop it up nicely. So for those who want a little bit more fiber, a little bit more protein, I've snuck about a quarter cup of edamame beans into this. I thought it would add some nice color and then also some nice texture. So for the bok choy, you just want to wilt it down ever so slightly because we're going to cook it again when we add it into the rice. And you can be a little bit more indulgent and do this in oil, maybe some garlic, maybe some ginger as well. Or you can just be really clean and do it in some water. So now we're going to clean the beans and we're going to clean the rice. And the reason that I soak it a little bit ahead of time is just it softens the rice and it softens the beans so that it's easier and quicker to cook in the pot. But then also another reason we've mentioned before is soaking rice just a little bit ahead of time and then getting rid of that initial liquid gets rid of the natural arsenic in rice. So less arsenic, the better for me. So I'm going to add about 1.25 cups of water into this, and we're going to cook this, bring it up to a boil, lower it down to a simmer until this is about, I'd say like 90% cooked. Much of the water has, been absorbed. And then we're going to add in the rest of the ingredients.
Watch the way the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick this courage, lick this courage. Starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick this courage, I lick this courage. Now I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain.
I've shut the heat off, and then after about 5-6 minutes, when everything is all warmed up, this dish is good to go. So I would say for me, I might have needed just a little bit more salt. It really depends on the type of protein that you're adding in and how salty that is. Another good option that they do a lot in Hong Kong actually is just some sweetened soy sauce. You just pour a little bit of that over, which I did, and it's really, really good. very, very simple dish, and you get all of this like really good protein and beans in it as well. So I hope you all enjoy, and yeah, I will see you all again next time. Bye.
I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to watch the